stronger than steel, thinner than a single atom. This is graphene, the material rewriting the future. Hidden inside high-tech factories, a revolutionary material is being created, atom by atom. It all begins with copper, carefully cleaned and polished because perfection starts at the surface. Every impurity is removed, leaving behind a flawless foundation for something extraordinary. Heated to extreme temperatures, nearly 1,000 degrees, the metal transforms, preparing for atomic construction. Now, invisible gases enter the chamber, methane and hydrogen, the building blocks of graphene. Under intense heat, molecules break apart, releasing pure carbon atoms. And then, the magic begins. Atoms arrange themselves into a perfect hexagonal pattern, forming the strongest structure ever discovered. The system slowly cools, locking this atomic masterpiece into place. The copper beneath is dissolved away, leaving behind a sheet so thin it's nearly invisible. Handled with extreme precision, graphene is transferred onto new surfaces, ready for use. Advanced instruments scan every atom, ensuring perfection at the smallest scale. What remains is graphene, ultra-light, ultra-strong, and full of limitless potential. From faster batteries to flexible screens to technologies yet to be imagined, graphene is shaping the future. From invisible atoms to unstoppable innovation, this is not just a material, this is the beginning of a new era.